Okay, guys. Now we reach to the stage when we remove the EIS from the BE car, we bring it on bench, and now we need to start the key programming. The most important thing in this process is to follow the OTIL 608 instruction step by step. In case you have the tools, you have access to 608 Gbox XB400, then things will be great for you so you can start training yourself while we walking through the course. In case you don't have it, don't worry, it's not complicated. You just you need to have general information about how to do it in case you plan to do it in the future. So as we mentioned before, in case you want to do it through OBD, it's daunting. I need 8 hours to recover the password. So that's why we have the solution that to remove the AIS, bring it on bench, and finish the process within few minutes, as we will witness in this video. Now, as we mentioned, the tools required for this operation will be the key programmer itself, OTIL 608. There is another key programming doing Mercedes also, which is the Xhorse VVDI key prog. But now we will, in this video, we will demonstrate the key programming, Mercedes key programming through OTIL 608. So let me stop the video here. This is the G box, and this is the connector. You need to connect it in the side this way. G box 2 or 3. And here we have the Mercedes key emulator, which is coded by APB125. Okay, we have the aftermarket or OEM key, and we have the XB400, either it's Pro or XB400. Okay, so now the first step, connect the G-Box connector to the AIS as shown in the next photo. I kept the steps written also for you so you can walk through the video slowly and carefully. Okay, here the connector, what we saw from the G box in this side, from the G box from this side, and the other side is here. As per the colors and codes, it's just easy job. You need just to follow the color and the code of the wire and just insert it into the pins here based on this diagram. This is the first step. As you see here, it's connected, and the other part is here into the G box. I'm assuming in this video you have your devices, you have the tools, and we are doing it together. Okay, now we will press, I'll just let me take it back. Now we will go to the key programmer screen, press on Mercedes, Benz, okay. Then we will go to expert selection. Now we need to get the password. Get the password. All keys lost fast. Guys, I believe this video is a straightforward video showing you step by step. I might don't need to keep commenting on it. I told you in case you have your device, it will be easier for you. Now we will go to tab on bench Gbox fast. You need just to follow the video step by step guidance so you can complete the job. I will stop here for a moment. So guys, these are the applicable EIS units. You can do it through the hotel. And there is also another page. If you can see here, there is two dots, means there is two pages. You can check it in case you have the device. You can check what applicable EIS units you can do through the hotel 608. And almost you can do vast majority of Mercedes before 2014 model. Otherwise, auto scan in case you know very well what unit you are working on and the wiring diagram, then you can scan it. Otherwise, you just need to select by model. Here we have 207. We've selected 207. And this is the wiring colors and code that we need to connect to EIS unit as we mentioned before. Okay. So after we are showing about what EIS model we are working on it. So now we need to connect the outlet tablet charger, the same key programmer charger, to the Gbox in order to power it up. The side as you see. And now these are the steps 1 to 5 to collect the password. Guys, let me just stop here for a moment. Please, I want just to tell you information about the last section in the course. In the last section in the course, it's all about OBD programming. Now we did on bench. We are doing on bench for Mercedes, and you can find another example for EEPROM as we witnessed in the Volkswagen section. And in the last section in the course, you will find all about OBD programming. There is no voice commenting on the video. It's just a straightforward process. You need just to have your key programmer and you need to try it yourself through the demonstration option. Until in their 608 version, there is demonstration. You can demonstrate yourself the key programming for several type of cars through OBD. But here I commented because this is on-bench work, need more elaboration, more in-depth details to tell you about. For also the EEPROM, I have included my voice commenting on the video. But the last section in the course, it's all about guidance step by step on screen without my voice commenting on the video. And I would encourage you, in case you have any confusion or any question, to use Q&A feature in Udemy platform. You can ask any question and I will be happy to answer it right away. Or the faster way is to join the new created Facebook group community for locksmith, automotive locksmiths. You can join the group after the approval, and we are assuring that you are a Udemy course student enrolled in our course, or you are licensed locksmith from around worldwide. We will accept your membership, and you can directly right away post your question there and we will be happy to answer it also. So everyone can see the question and everyone can see the answers. Okay? Okay, in this stage, they're asking us to connect the wiring as I show you into the AIS pins. Now this is the OBD. We need to connect it to the G box in this way. Begin. So here the device is warning you. You need to follow the instructions step by step. You will hear a long beep sound coming from the G box. That's mean this process certain step is complete, or the G box is ready now to start working on that BE. ما تفصل أي شيء. If you hear this sound, that's mean the G box is ready. We click OK. Connect the device OBD cable and OBD connector, which is done. And here just telling you ensure that the AIS disconnected from the steering column lock means the AIS is already on bench, available with you. Now asking you to connect the IR key simulator, which is the ABB102 in the old version, and the Pro 2 have same code ABB125. The same device, the same part, just have different codes for different version from Hotel 608. So don't be confused about it. This is the emulator, ABB125. Okay guys, in the part 2, you will see the instruction also, because I cannot load that more than 12 or for 15 minutes video, one video into Udemy, so I make it 2 parts, okay? We will continue.